This virus has no cure, and millions are still at risk. Let's talk about HIV and AIDS. HIV, or human immunodeficiency virus, attacks your immune system, specifically the CD4 cells that protects your body from infection. HIV is a virus that attacks the body's immune system. AIDS occurs at the most advanced stage of HIV. HIV targets the body's white blood cells, weakening the immune system. This makes it easier to get sick with diseases like tuberculosis, infections, and some cancers. If untreated, HIV can progress to AIDS, the most advanced stage, where the body becomes too weak to even fight common infections. Here is the difference between AIDS and HIV. As mentioned, HIV is human immunodeficiency virus. It's a virus which attacks the immune system, while AIDS is the most advanced form of HIV. It's the most advanced stage in which the body becomes too weak to fight any infection, even the common of the infection. Now, let us understand how does HIV spreads. So, HIV can spread through various modes. The first one is through sexual contact, through infected blood, sharing of needles, and from mother to child during pregnancy or breastfeeding. HIV doesn't spread through touching, hugging, sharing food, or through mosquito bites. Some of the early symptoms of HIV may feel like flu, fever, fatigue, but later on, it can cause serious things like weight loss, serious infections, and serious health problems, even cancers. Now, there is no cure for HIV, but antiretroviral therapy or ART helps people live longer, healthy lives. Although there is no complete cure for HIV, it can be managed very well. ART helps reduce the amount of virus in the body and strengthen the immune system. With proper medicines, regular checkups, and a healthy lifestyle, people living with HIV can lead a long, normal life. Early diagnosis and consistent treatments are the key. Now, the most important part is prevention of AIDS or HIV. It's very important to prevent it, to use safe measures. Measures like practice safe sex, use condom correctly every time, save blood, use only tested and screened blood. Don't share needles. Never share needles or syringes. Use sterile medical equipments. HIV positive mothers can reduce the risk with proper treatment during pregnancy, delivery, and breastfeeding. Also, the most critical part is get tested regularly. Testing is the key for you to get safe, for you to get prevented from very, very dangerous things. So, you have to follow all these measures to prevent this infection. HIV is not the end. Awareness, testing, and support can save lives. Don't spread fear, spread knowledge. Now, to summarize things, HIV is transmitted by unprotected sex, drug addicts, blood transfusion, pregnancy, and non sterile instrument. HIV is not transmitted by touching or hugging, through food, with a kiss, through insect bites, or in a pool. You have to keep these things in mind. You have to be aware of all of these things. Now, if you learned something new today, please like and share my video and subscribe to my channel to spread awareness. Stay safe.